Hello guys, let's start our technical analysis about the technical analysis of the commodity market. And right now we gonna talking about soybean, corn, cattle, and more. Just a minute, I'm using the Instagram for start the analysis too. Just a minute. Okay. I believe the audio is okay, so we can start. The market of the soybeans. What we can see about the market of soybeans right now, and how is the price of the market of soybeans. The market of the soybeans, for who doesn't are for the Brazilian guys, the price is about cents of dollar per bushel. So we're talking about cents of dollar per 27 kilos, something like this. And the price in all the history touched the envelope of 20% in a few times. And I will talk about the moving average, like I talk about this indicator in the analysis in Portuguese. So the price touched in 10 years, in 1, 2, 3, 4, something about 4 or 5 times the envelope of 20%. And where is the price right now? In all these moments, look this, all these moments, when the price touched the envelope of 20%, the price have some trend to move to get down. The price get up, and after almost touch the envelope of 20%, the price get down again. Here, the price touch and cross the line about the envelope of 20% and get down again. And right now, the price is touch the envelope of 20% again. So, in the last week, the last Friday, in 23 of October, the price was 1,086. And we talk, it's a good moment to sell your soybeans. Why we say that? Because the price was touch the envelope of 20%, and the relative index strength is cross the superior limit, the highest limit of the relative strength index. So we say for you it's a good moment to sell your soybean, okay? And the history show we was right about this. Why I say that? Because after touch this envelope, the price get down, and the price get down something about 40 cents. That's something about 3% in 1 week. So, why now? If you still have soybeans in storage, it's still being a good moment to sell your soybean. Why I say that? Because the price is still some higher about the move average. We still close the envelope of 20%. But if you are getting close, following us, you could sell your soybean right here. And right now, the price get down a little. So, if you still have soybeans, right now is still being a good moment to sell your soybean. But the best moment was last week, like we say, because the envelope of 20%, because the relative strength index, and because the stochastic indicator. Let's see what the graphics talk to us about the market of corn. Look this graph. When the price touched the envelope of 20% or the envelope of 40%, the price always have a trend to get down. The price touched the envelope of 20% and get down. The price touched the envelope of 20% and get down. The price touch and cross the envelope of 20% and get up. They feel the resistance and get down again. They touch the envelope of 20% and get up. And this happened in all the history. So, when the price touch these envelopes of 20% or 40%, we have to take some decisions. And why not? Look the last week. You can see the last week analysis, the number 5. We thought it's a good moment to sell your corn, and the price was 416 cents of dollar per bushel. And right now the price get down to 396. We're talking about something close than 5%. So we're talking about 5% in just 1 week. And why we said was a good moment to sell your corn? Because the price was touching the envelope of 20%. The relative strength index is across the higher limit, and the stochastic indicator was higher than it's crossed the higher limit too. So we say it's a good moment to sell. And what happened after that? The price get down something close than 5%. And I like to say, I knew it, the price will get down something about 5%. I knew it if the price will be get down in just 1 week later. No, I didn't know about that. But what I knew it was a good moment to sell because the indicators was talking this to us. So when the indicators talk to us, we follow what they say. And the last week, the indicators, the graphics was talking, it's a good moment to sell. And we say for you, it's a good moment to sell. And what's happened later? The price get down 5%. So we was right about the price of the corn market. Let's talk about the live cattle futures. Look this graph too. When the price are so far the move average, the price probably get down. When the price is so lowest about the move average, the price get up. And this happened again and again and again in all the history. So when the price touch some envelopes, we have to take decisions. But right now, what's happening with the price of the live cattle futures? The price touched the envelope of 20% lowest and was a good moment to buy live cattle. Right now, the price are 107, and the envelope and the relative strength index is almost cross the higher limit, but the stochastic is close the lowest limit. So we have some mess right now. We have a little indecision moment. So right now, what we recommend? If you could wait some time, that's our recommendation. Wait some time. Wait the relative index, strength index, take a decision. Wait the indicator, the stochastic indicator cross the line again, and wait the trend be more firm, be more concrete, and have a more decision trend. Okay, so right now our recommendation about the live catch futures market is wait, just wait and have patience, because if you buy in the best moment in the regions of the price when the graphics talk to is a good moment to buy, and you wait to sell in when the graphics talk to is a good moment to sell, I have sure along the years you will have constance in your results. You will make money. I have sure about this. So right now our recommendation about the live catch futures is wait some time to take your decision. The market of sugar. Last week we say it's a good moment to sell your sugar. And what's happening later? The price get down from 15 to 40, 20, 14, 20 cents. And why we said was a good moment to sell your sugar in the last week? We said this because the price was touching the envelope of 20%, and the relative strength index was cross the higher limit, and the stochastic indicator was cross the higher limit too. So we have superposition, we have more than 3 indicators saying to us it's a good moment to sell. So we say to you was a good moment to sell, and the price right now get down 5%. That's the reason we believe in these indicators. The history show these indicators. It's a very good tool for buy and sell commodities, agro commodities. Okay, right now if you don't sell your sugar in the last week, it's still being a good moment to sell your sugar. Let's see the ethanol futures. Let me change. Okay, the envelopes showing right now. So the price crossed the envelope of 20%. The relative strength index is higher than is crossed the higher limit, and the stochastic too. So it's a good moment to sell your ethanol in the international market. Last week the price was $1.50 the gallon, and the price is still close this price right now. The price is $1.47 per gallon. So right now it's still being a good moment to sell your ethanol. Okay, and why I say that? Look how much times the price touched the envelope of 20% in the past 5 years. The price touched the envelope of 20% in 1 moment, 2 moments, and right now. So If the price just touched the envelope of 20% in 4 times in the past 5 years, when the price touched this envelope, we have to take our decision. And right now, in the last week, we said it's a good moment to sell your ethanol. And keep following us, follow us, and you could see what will happen with the price in the next weeks. Okay? Right now, we can see the cotton market. And the price, the last week, we said, again, we said true, was a good moment to sell your cotton. And why we said that? Because the price, it's getting close, it's getting approach the envelope of 20%, and we has the relative strength index cross the higher limit, and we have the stochastic indicator cross the higher limit too. So we said it's a good moment to sell your cotton. And what's happened after that? The price get down 5%. So all the commodities we have analysis, and in all the times the price touched these envelopes, touched the envelope of 20%, touch the relative strength index, cross the higher limit, and the stochastic indicator cross the higher limit, we said is a good moment to sell. And after that, the price get down some percent. In the cotton, the price get down 5%. So the price could get bigger than 74, 76 cents, but the probability was saying to us there isn't probably the trend about the price. So when the price touches the envelope of 20% or get close the envelope of 20% and the relative strength index and the stochastic indicator was cross the high limit, always we say it's a good moment to sell. And the cotton, the market cotton, show we was right about this. Orange juice. These graphics have it's very have a lot of touching the envelope. So we need to take decision when the price touch this envelope. When they touch the higher envelopes and they touch the lowest envelope. Why I say that? When the price touch the lower envelope, the price get up, and when the price touch the higher envelope, the price get down. And right now, the price is touching the moving average, and the indicator, stochastic indicator, and the relative strength index is in the mid of the way. So right now, our recommendation is wait, just wait, okay? But if you are follow us in the past month, you could buy the orange juice right here when the relative strength index was crossed the lowest limit and the stochastic indicator too. And if you bought your orange juice here, you could sell right now with 7% of profit. But if you don't buy the orange juice right here, our recommendation is right now it's wait, okay? Why I said you need to wait for take your decision? Because you don't have a firm trend. We don't have a trend defined. Why I say that? Because the relative strength index is on the middle of the way and the stochastic indicator too. So both indicators is undefined movement. We don't know where where it's going to be this movement of these indicators. So right now, the best recommendation we can say for you guys is wait about the fruit, the market of the orange juice, the market of coffee. We talking, it's a good moment to buy coffee from 25 of September, and the price don't change a lot from since 25 of September in this last month. So we still saying to you, it's a good moment to buy coffee. If you work, definitely change this price for market international. Sorry about my error, my mistake. In the international market, right now, still being a good moment to buy coffee, like the Brazil market. So why I say it's a good moment to buy coffee, because the price don't change a lot since the relative strength index cross the lowest limit, and when the stochastic indicator cross the lowest limit too. So the price was 108 and right now it's on 104. So our recommendation about coffee is buy. It's a good moment to buy coffee in the international market. Okay? Let's see the wheat. Like the other commodities, last week we said it's a good moment to sell your wheat. And why we said that? Because the price was getting approaching the envelope of 10%. The relative strength index is crossed the higher limit and the stochastic indicator too. So we said it's a good moment to sell your wheat. And what's happened with the price after that? The price get down 5%. So we can trust in these indicators. We can trust in the relative strength index. We can trust in the stochastic indicator. We can trust in the envelopes of 20%, in the envelopes of 40%, the higher and the lowest envelopes. And why I said that? Because the history of the price say that to us. So we can trust in these indicators. In along of the years, we gonna have a very good results, a very good profit with these indicators. It's a very good tools to take your decisions. So I ask sorry for my English, but I keep improving. I keep studying the English for improving my communication with you guys, because I believe I have a mission. My mission is help you farmers to sell your crops for a better price. So I start right now, even I don't speak English very good, but I keep studying, I keep improving my English for we have a good communication in the futures. Thank you very much for you that could watch me on live video, and I say thank you very much for you who that watching me with the video recorded. Thank you very much and sorry about my English. Em português, I like to say forte abraço e fiquem com Deus. In English, I try to translate this and I said strong hug and God bless you. See ya.